Hi, I'm Aimee of Cashistrash, and let's get started. Here's what's in today's video.
In today's video, we have more hot stock picks for you guys. We also have the new math update, Cashistrash's testimonial, and a whole lot more, so stay tuned.
All right, let's go.
So when is the best time to buy dividend stocks? Well, according to TSI Wealth Daily, they mentioned the best time to buy dividend-paying stocks is when you find companies offering sustainable dividends and ready to survive periods of adversity before going on to thrive when conditions improve. And they mentioned how they think investors should put the bulk of their investment portfolios in high-quality, mostly dividend-paying stocks that meet their successful investors' criteria. They also mentioned how portfolios should be diversified across most, if not all, of the 5 main economic sectors. So what they're doing is giving you 2 guidelines that they recommend for picking the best successful investor dividend stocks. And number 1, they're saying maintaining or increasing dividends. They want you to look for stocks that have a long history of paying and raising their dividends, and for you to look for companies that have maintained and raised their dividends during the economic and stock market turndowns. Number 2, they're thinking you should have a reasonable dividend yield. They mentioned that you can identify some stocks by their high dividend yields. And they said the percentage you get when you divide the company's current yearly payment by its share price. For example, stocks with the dividend yield higher than 3% will typically be attractive to an income-seeking investor. However, it's important to avoid judging a company based on its dividend yield because a high dividend yield can be dangerous rather than being helpful to you. Now, we'll add that the best time to buy a dividend-paying stock is when you find investments that have these 5 qualities, which are number 1, a history of long-term success. Number 2, a current healthy financial situation for their company. Number 3, a current dividend. Number 4, a strong hold within the company's industry. And number 5, growth and income. There are 4 key stock dividend dates. Number 1 is the declaration date. Several weeks in advance of a dividend payment, a company board of directors sets the amount and timing of the proposed payment, which is known as the declaration date. And number 2 is the payable date. And that date is set by the board, which the dividend will be paid out to shareholders. Number 3 is the record date. Only shareholders who hold the stock before the payable date will receive a dividend pay, which is any number of weeks before that payable date. And lastly, number 4 is the ex-dividend date, which is 2 business days before the record date. The shares begin to trade without their dividends. And if you were to buy stocks a day or more before that ex-dividend date, you will still get that dividend, or which is said to trade come dividend or with dividend. And if you were to buy on the ex-dividend date or later, you won't get the dividend. The ex-dividend date is in place to allow pending stocks to trade and settle. And with all of that being said, Cashistrash believes that you should purchase dividend stocks after the next dividend date. Why? Because the prices are going to go down. Buy low, sell high.
Here's one of Coach's stock picks.
Roblox, one of the hottest, most popular stocks that are out now. What I've done was actually purchase some for my 9-year-old son, Joey. He loves playing Roblox games, but I wanted to involve him into the stock market at an early age. So I let him know that if we purchase Roblox stocks, then the money we make from the Roblox stocks, we will buy Robux cards so he can continue to advance with his game. So if you guys are thinking about Roblox for your grandkids, children, or whatever, invest in Roblox. I think it's an awesome stock.
And shares of Roblox, which is a kid gaming app. It jumped from 9.7% in the pre-market trading Thursday after it was revealed one of Kathy Wood's funds bought into the stock on its first day trading. The ARK's next generation internet ETF, ARKW, added more than 500,000 shares of that stock, which accounted for about 0.5% of the fund's portfolio, according to daily trading disclosure. The position was worth roughly $36.1 million as of Wednesday's closing price.
Now, Roblox hit the market coming off an explosive year of growth, primarily from kids who were stuck at home because of COVID-19. They were forced to just really put their faces right in front of the computer 23.5 hours out of the day. Schools had to close from the pandemic and sport leagues had to cancel. I mean, everything was shut down, and our kids were really entertained by this Roblox game. Now, in the game, the users create avatars that they can move between millions of games on the server, and it allows them to navigate theme parks, adopting virtual pets, fighting enemies with their friends, and many more things to keep these kids out of trouble, but in front of the computer, not getting anything done, such as house chores and whatnot. But I'm pretty sure if you guys know about Roblox, some of your kids are out there doing the same thing. And Roblox is basically controlling life right now. So if you ever wanted to sit and have a conversation with anyone under the age of 18, especially young boys, I would just talk about Roblox. You can get a very good conversation. Of course, as adults, we'll be clueless behind it, but just talk to the kids about Roblox and you will be like their favorite person in the whole wide world, okay? Just a little word of advice, but right now Roblox is trading at $76.79 per share. And it is down from last week, which is at $80. So $76.79 right now, and let's see where Roblox takes us.
Cash is Trash's testimonials.
And this week's testimonial goes to Sharitha King. Sharitha replied on our Cash is Trash's Facebook page. I would really love to thank the Cash is Trash team for this group and the videos you share. January 1st, she decided she needed to do something different, and she heard people talk about the market for years, but this year she thought she'd give it a try. So she first called Coach because she said to herself, this cannot be easy. And if it is, why is everyone not investing? She then replied, well, it has been great, and I'm addicted to putting money in each week. And she said, today I was amazed at how much money I've made in just 2 months, and I would never play the lottery again. Sharitha also mentioned that she did not take any profits because she really believed in the companies that she's invested in. She thought to herself that she shared because if it wasn't for the group, she don't think she would have started investing. She mentioned that she don't sell when she's in the negative. What she does is she buys more to lower the cost of her average, and she was thanking our coach, Terrell Daniels, and can't wait to see what the rest of the year is going to bring to Sharitha. Sharitha, thank you so very much. We really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to make sure you made a post in our group thanking Cash is Trash team and Terrell Daniels, which is our coach, for motivating you and encouraging you to keep going. We started this group back in October, and it has grown ever since, and it's people like you that keep us going. So again, we say thank you on behalf of the Cash is Trash team.
The new math.
And just giving you guys an update on the new math program, just showing you guys what is in the account, which is $4,066.44. You guys don't forget to continue to put money into your account every month of $500. Start out with $2,000 and just keep adding money and keep investing. Watch the Cash is Trash videos to help you grow your account, as we all are trying to look forward to being millionaires within the next 7 years in following this new math program. This video is attached to the end of this video, which is the new math program. So if you guys are looking for that, check it out.
There is an array of free investment platforms, and one of the most popular platforms is Webull. If you'd like to sign up today, feel free to fund your account with $100 and we'll get you started. Hey, it's me again, your girl Aimee. Always remember that uninvested cash is trash. We will see you in the next video.